Hello students. So in this video we are going to discuss about the process of fertilization in human being. So listen carefully, what is meant by fertilization in human being? The process of fusion of haploid male gamete, that is sperm, with haploid female gamete, that is ova, to form diploid zygote is known as the fertilization. Okay. Then a site of fertilization is the ampulla of fallopian tube. Okay. Ampulla of fallopian tube is the site of fertilization. So on 14th day of menstrual cycle, the secondary oocyte is released during the ovulation, and they are received by the fallopian tube and reaches up to the ampulla of fallopian tube. And during insemination, the 3 to 4 ml of semen is deposited into the vagina, and which contains 300 to 400 millions of sperm. But out of millions of sperm, only few hundred sperm they reaches up to the ampulla of fallopian tube because of some physical or chemical hazards. And the secretion of oviducal epithelium, they activate the sperm. So listen, the secondary oocyte, they secrete one glycoprotein called as fertilizin, and the head of sperm, they secrete one acid protein called as anti-fertilizin, and this fertilizin and anti-fertilizin reaction is highly specific, okay, which brings about the adhesion of sperm with the surface of secondary oocyte, okay. And the acrosome of sperm, they secrete one enzyme, that is high hyaluronidase, and this enzyme, they hydrolyzes the high hyaluronic acid of follicular cells of secondary oocyte. Then next enzyme, that is acrosin. Acrosin enzyme, they digest the zona pellucida layer of secondary oocyte. See, you all know the structure of secondary oocyte. This layer is known as the which layer? That is zona pellucida. So this acrosin enzyme, they digest the zona pellucida layer. So as a result, what happened? The head of sperm, this is the sperm, they enter inside the secondary oocyte and they are reaches to the vitelline membrane of secondary oocyte. And as soon as one sperm head only, they enter inside the secondary oocyte, and the vitelline membrane get converted into the fertilization membrane. What? Vitelline membrane converted into the fertilization membrane, and this fertilization membrane prevent the entry of other sperm. Okay? And after the entry of sperm, what happened? They stimulate the meiosis second. You know, at the time of oogenesis, meiosis second is arrested. Okay? So they stimulate the meiosis second. So this is sperm pronucleus. This is ovum pronucleus. Okay? And after the completion of meiosis second, the second polar body is released. Okay? Then what happened? At the end, the mixing of chromosome of male and female pronuclei takes place, which is called as amphimixis, and the formation of diploid zygote takes place. Okay? So this is the process of fertilization. Once again, quickly I revise, listen carefully. The process of fusion of haploid male gamete, that is sperm, and haploid female gamete, that is ova, to form diploid zygote is known as fertilization. Okay, and secondary oocyte released during the ovulation, which is received by the fallopian tube and reaches up to the ampulla of fallopian tube. And 3 to 4 ml semen is deposited inside the vagina during insemination, which contain near about 300 to 500 millions of sperm, and the out of millions of sperm, only few hundred sperm reaches up to the ampulla of fallopian tube due to some physical and chemical hazards. And the secondary oocyte, they secrete one glycoprotein called as fertilizin. The head of sperm, they secrete the acid protein antifertilizin, and this fertilizin antifertilizin reaction is highly specific. Okay, and the acrosome of sperm, they also secrete one enzyme, that is acrosin, and this acrosin enzyme, the acrosome of sperm, they secrete the enzyme hyaluronidase. They are responsible for the hydrolyzation of hyaluronic acid of the follicular cells of secondary oocyte. Then acrosin enzyme, that is zonalysine, it is also called as zonalysine. What is the role of this acrosin? They digest this zona pellucida layer, and as soon as only one sperm head enter inside the secondary oocyte, and they reaches up to the vitelline membrane, and vitelline membrane, they are converted into the fertilization membrane, and this fertilization membrane prevent the entry of other sperm. Okay, and now sperm is responsible for stimulation of secondary oocyte to complete the meiosis second, and second polar body is released. Okay, and the mixing of chromosome of male and female pronuclei takes place called as amphimixis, and which result in the formation of diploid zygote. So this is the process of fertilization. In next lecture, we will discuss how this zygote converted into embryo. So thank you.